Hello everyone. We will discuss about what is chemistry and its branches. Let's get started. What is chemistry? Man has always been curious about the changes taking place in the surroundings, and this curiosity led him to study, observe and experiment with the changes taking place. When these observations are systematically arranged, it is called science. However, it's quite difficult to wrap up the definition of chemistry in just one line, but still it can be defined as chemistry is the study of composition, structure, properties and interaction of matter.
Branches of chemistry. There are many types of chemistry. Here we will discuss major types of chemistry and their uses. Ever watched a detective series in which the detective recovers an unidentifiable sample from the scene of the crime and runs it through a series of tests? This is what comes in analytical chemistry. Analytical chemistry. Analytical chemistry is the study involving how we analyze the chemical components of a sample. For example, how much caffeine is there in a cup of tea? Are there drugs in an athlete's urine samples? Examples of areas using analytical chemistry include forensic science, environmental science, and drug testing. Analytical chemistry can be divided into two main branches: qualitative and quantitative analysis. Qualitative analysis employs math and measurement to help determine the components of substances. On the other hand, qualitative analysis helps to identify how much of each component is present in a substance. Both types of analysis can be used to provide important information about an unidentified sample and help to identify what the sample is.
Biochemistry. The fact that sweating cools the skin is a function of strong forces of attraction between water molecules. Our body maintains a blood pH because of an elaborate bicarbonate buffering system. The medical disease in human is also caused by a misfolded protein. Does this give you a clue about what biochemistry is? The study of chemical process in living organism is called biochemistry. Everything in the body is made up of atoms and molecules of different chemical compounds like carbon, oxygen and hydrogen. This is what is studied in biochemistry. Biochemistry can further be divided into interesting departments like enzymology, which is the study of enzymes, endocrinology, which is the study of hormones, clinical biochemistry, which is the study of disease, molecular biochemistry, which is the study of biomolecules and their functions.
Organic chemistry. The study of carbon compounds such as fuels, plastics, food additives and drugs. Organic chemistry deals with study of carbon and the chemicals in living organisms. An example is the process of photosynthesis in a leaf because there is a change in the chemical composition of the living plant. Have you ever wondered who makes your hair conditioner or the drug you take when you have a headache? Organic chemists are the ones who do this. They devise experimental methods to isolate or synthesize new materials and study their properties. The branches of organic chemistry involve many different disciplines, including the study of ketones, aldehyde, hydrocarbons, and alcohols.
Inorganic chemistry. Would you like to know how the earth forms gold? This is what inorganic chemistry do. Inorganic chemistry deals with the elements and compounds other than carbon or hydrocarbons. It covers all materials that are not organic and are termed as non-living substances. These compounds that do not contain a carbon-hydrogen bond. Compounds studied by the inorganic chemists include crystal structures, minerals, metals, catalysts, and most elements on the periodic table.
Industrial chemistry. Industrial chemistry is the branch of the chemistry which applies chemical and physical process towards the transformation of raw materials into products that are of benefit to humanity. Nuclear chemistry. While the common perception is that nuclear chemistry involves only the study of radioactive nuclei, it is much more interesting than that. Nuclear chemistry is the study of the chemical and physical properties of elements as influenced by changes in the structure of the atomic nucleus. Modern nuclear chemistry or radiochemistry is now very interdisciplinary in its applications, ranging from the study of the formation of elements in the universe to the design of radioactive drugs for diagnostic medicines.
Which of these branches interest you the most? Do tell us in the comments below.